Had to get a drink. Have a nice drink? Did you have a nice drink? Where's the weasel? Where's your weasel? Where is it? What happened to your weasel? Hmm? And here comes the cat. Be nice, Georgie. Poor Frankie. Georgie? Georgie? Where's your weasel, George? Georgie? Where's your weasel? Are you hungry, Georgie? Georgie, are you hungry? Georgie? Georgie, are you hungry? Oh, Georgie. Georgie, are you hungry? The weasel's babysitting while I'm trying to get ready for work. Or not work, for church. She's pooped. Look at the back legs. Best part. Love it. She's tired. She's in her sofa. Are you tired? Are you tired from all your running? Are you very tired? Georgie? Are you very tired? Are you hungry? Are you hungry, Frank? You want some food? I already gave you some food. Hi, George. I know. There's that dog. Tongue hanging out. And Heidi says, nap time. Hi, George. Are you in Daddy's chair? Georgie? Hi, Georgie. Are you a good dog? Are you a very good dog? Are you hungry? Yeah, you're a little bit hungry, huh? Are you tired too? Yeah, you're very cute. You're very cute. Good girl. Oh, you're tired. Yeah.